Hello, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make an animation. Let's favorite this right here, and let's go to Scratch homepage. No, save now. Let's go to my profile, and I got somebody to feature. Here, where the heck are they? Okay, sorry. This person. It says do animated memes. Because I could not do Flappy Bird because my clones were not working for the pipes. So she said to do animated memes. Yes, animated memes. Okay, so I'm going to be making a tutorial of how to make animated memes, except not animated memes. I'm just gonna do how to make an animation, because I will probably do how to make an animation now, and I will feature you in this video. Here, you are featured. You are special in this video. You are the featured person of the day. Yay! Okay. Let's get back to the video. Where the heck is my project? I don't want you to see. But what the? Wait, I never knew I had to undo this. Bring up unshare projects. Okay, let's get back to this. Yes! We got our water bottle right here. I basically just drew a box and added water to it. And because we're doing a cat drinking water. Yeah. We're doing a person drinking water. So let me finish eating my food real quick. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Oh, and before I finish, I may have to make a part 2 of this because I can only film for 30 minutes and this is probably going to take a while. So just keep that in mind. Okay. I'm just about done. Got my chocolate bar. It's a mini chocolate bar crunch. Pictured in my crunch channel. We were just doing Nestle Crunch stuff. Ugh. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna take this. Let's shrink it down. Let's make a green person. Yeah, a green person. Yeah. So basically, just copy after me. You can pause the video if needed. Let's draw the ears. There we go. Okay. Okay. Copy that. Let's do this. We're gonna go to back layer. Then we're gonna put this in the middle. I'm gonna send this in the middle. There we go. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna. Okay. Let's duplicate this. Let's group this. And then we're gonna move it up a little every time. Maybe shorten the arm. Always do this. Keep doing it. Once you get to about this point where it's touching the mouth, here, let's make a face at first. Basically, I'll show you. So let's draw the face, the eyes, of course. Let's hold shift and select all of these. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to go to every sprite and paste it in there. Perfect. Okay. Now let's do when flag clicked. Repeat until costume number equals, let's see this, 5. We're probably going to change this over time because that's what I did when I made this with the hot cocoa. Now we're going to let's do 0.050 seconds. Next costume, and we'll see how this looks. Oh, yeah, well, we have to add a switch costume to costume 1. That seems to look pretty good. Let's slow this down a little bit. 55. No. 0, okay. Now that's good. Let's make the cat's mouth open. Ah. Now we're going to copy and paste this on this. Get that water. And then we're going to draw water coming out. Duplicate that. Add more. Coming out. But make sure to make it the length grow a little bit every time. Okay, so about there. Now it's going to go over to the mouth. So you should have about 10 costumes like me. Oops. You should have about 10 costumes like me by now. Okay. So you should have about 10 costumes, and the cat's drinking the water. Now we're going to duplicate this. We're going to add water flow. So let's make it white. No, a little bit lighter than white. Let's just draw lines. Then you're going to duplicate it, delete all the lines, and draw more lines in a different order. So then we repeat this like 5 times. It looks like the cat's drinking water. Okay, let's do repeat 10. Let's see how that looks. And then repeat 5. Switch costume to costume. We can't do like next costume with this because that would just, So let's do. Let's duplicate this one more time. And oh, well, I guess we could just duplicate that. Okay, now we're gonna do switch costume to 12. Okay, let's see how that looks. And then we got water flow. There we go. But you know what we should change? You see how this one is sticking out a little? Let's put that in a little. There we go. Now let's see that. Oh yeah, that's good. Now we're going to want to delete this. With the hot cocoa, I didn't make it do this part, but I'm going to make it do this on here. So we're going to do this. Now we're going to make the water. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Copy this. Delete this and paste it. Delete this and paste it. Sorry. Didn't do that. You may make that mistake with me. We're going to do it the other way. First, we gotta delete this. Let's delete that 14th one we did. So we just have this. And now we're going to, of course, erase a little bit more of it. And of course, erase a little bit more of it. Let's erase a little bit more of it. I had 19 costumes in the thing once, so I'm going to definitely have more than this. Okay, we have 12. Repeat until custom number equals 17. Oops. Delete this. Let's add. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, that looks good. Now we're going to have them to wait 0.10 seconds. No, let's do 0.30. No, 0.30. Yeah. Then we're going to picture him putting the cup down. Group this.
Mom, can I get the friend to drop my airport?
And then we put this down. Perfect. Repeat until costume number equals 22. Okay, let's see what that looks like. That looks good. No, let's do 0. He's doing numbers. 0.05 instead. Okay, now it's a little bit smoother when you put it down. Let's do cat drinking water tutorial. Now will be shared on my profile. Go. Hold on. Now you can make this like a loop, like have somebody pour water into it, and then like the cat drinks it again. But and if you want me to do that and like make it as a part 2, then you can I want you to comment that in the comments, like if you want me to update this and make it a loop. And then whoever votes that, I will pick it. If there's more votes of no, then I won't do it. If there's more votes of yes, then I will do it. Anyway, I will see you next time. Bye, guys.